Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you the privacy screen protector that this brand sent to me for this video for the new iPhone 17 Pro. We're going to do a live installation, but the bottom line is that we have the test phone right here, and also we have the privacy screen right here, which is a military grade that, in case that you're wondering what a privacy screen is, like nobody can see what you are seeing. Basically, that is kind of like it. If you're commuting on public transportation, you're at the office or something like that, what you are seeing right here, nobody can see from this side, from up above, because it will kind of like get all black for those people. So that is really good. It comes with everything you need to clean your phone, apply it, and you'll see how easy this thing is to do. Let's actually dive in right now. So one of the first things you will do is clean up the phone screen with the cleaning kit that comes with the actual package. So make sure that you clean that and take all the dust, and also take off all the particles as well. So once you do that, you're gonna just like dry it up like this one. And again, make sure that you don't have any particles. That's gonna be the most important part. So once you're done, make sure not to breathe. No, I'm joking, but you're gonna put this one right here on the side. And this is what's gonna happen. So you're gonna make sure that this section right here, it has the protector screen, which is gonna be this one, and this is the one that you're gonna pull. So let's actually put the phone inside. And once we're done, by the way, on the back of this one, you're gonna find the scraper for the last part. But if not, you should be all set. Let's actually move this one right away. You're gonna grab this one for pulling, and you're gonna keep pulling all the way till you're done. And when you're done, you're gonna just wait for a little bit. Just make sure that this one sticks pretty good and shiny, and we're gonna do the scraper. And then last but not least, remove this. Here you go. Not even the need for the scraper. I have to say that this is just fantastic. Not even the need for the scraper. This is just crazy. I'm just gonna do it just for the sake of it, but this looks just phenomenal. I can't believe how nice this one came up just with the applier. You know, that's everything you will need to know, but with the applier, just like so cool. And this is going to be your privacy thing, you know, when you are watching the phone like this one, and you are kind of like paying attention to your phone, to emails, messages, or something like that, nobody from the side is gonna be able to see what you're seeing. This is a test phone, so I can't turn on the screen and just show you, but this one, that is how it's gonna work. I can't believe how nice this one came up. It is so crystal clear, so nice, no bubbles, no anything, and everything with this applier right here, which it was so super easy just to do. So with the applier, with everything you need, and one extra in case that, you know, you didn't do it like properly, you have one extra there. This thing is fantastic. Such a nice way to keep your privacy on.